Hey folks, welcome back. So today what I'm going to do is sort of test some new setup I have. Now, I need to call something out. I committed at the beginning of the year, no more resetting. I said, listen, the templates you have, the studio setup you have, everything, it remains static for 1 year because I didn't want to waste time tweaking and resetting and all that sort of stuff. But you know what? I can't help it. And frankly, I don't want to help it. I'll talk more about that in a future video. But right now, I want to test some things. So first of all, I have this set up for a lecture live stream format. Come the summer, I will be live streaming some courses, and so I want to have a good solid setup for that. So what do we have? Well, we have our background here, so on and so forth. But we also have this. There you are. You're right there. I have this set up so that I can bring out the whiteboard. I love whiteboards. I always use whiteboards. And I can, say welcome and all that sort of stuff, right? Now, of course, the microphone is different here. When I am shooting on that main camera over there, I'm using a Sennheiser 600 something or another. Here I'm using a Rode NTG 3, and so it's a different mic, it's a different sound. You know what? I have always struggled with mics and sound. Oh my gosh, I have never been successful in getting it right, but I'm still experimenting, ergo this video, right? So I can go ahead and do that. Now, one thing I have noticed is that if I move that this way, I don't have as much glare in the whiteboard. So I'll need to see if I can write. Yeah, I can write on this without too much concern of it moving around and so forth. So that's good to know. So I can then go ahead and push that on back. And that's not the one I want, that one. So, of course, I'll set up my Stream Deck to make that transition a little bit more seamless and so forth, but that's sort of what I'm running with. I'm also going to mess with some lights back here. Yes, I have that blue light over there. That's an Aperture MC or something or another. But I might put some LED lights behind this steamer trunk there and use that aperture for something else. I don't know. But yeah, that's sort of what I'm playing with right now. Now, this is one of those examples of where you just have to go with what you like and what your aesthetic is. Because yeah, this doesn't look like any other YouTube studio. Well, that's both good and bad, right? The reason you might want to, say, copy, for lack of a better term, emulate, I like that term better. The reason you might want to emulate another YouTube studio is that it's a best practice, it's a proven method, it's an aesthetic that the masses, the market, has said, yeah, we like this aesthetic. So it's all white or blue and yeah, what have you. This is really industrial and so forth. I like it though. And you know what? I'm the one that has to do it. I want to sit in my studio, not somebody else's. So we're going to keep experimenting with that. All right. So there you go. Thanks a lot for joining, and we'll talk again soon.